this day. What a gorgeous day. Finally, it feels like spring. Bunker! Bunker, what's up? What's up, buddy? Today we're gonna go get some brick that we found on Facebook Marketplace. We're either gonna use it as a walkway out front or to wrap the steel columns in the basement that look kind of ugly and gross. I haven't decided yet. We gotta see what the brick looks like first. So we're gonna go get that today. You guys should definitely come along. We're leaving in 20 minutes. Do I have enough time to turn this into something that can carry bricks? All right, back from getting brick. Check this out. We've got a truckload of brick and a dolly I made, which totally worked. I'm gonna get a pallet to set the brick on here in the yard, and then we're going to redo that walkway. All unloaded. A woman was giving it away on Facebook Marketplace. So we got all this brick for free. Okay, all the rocks are removed. Now we're gonna do a line to figure out where we want our new path to be. We've got our pathway cleared of rocks, cleared of sod. Kind of a first step of grading it. Look at that nice redneck dolly. But it worked. Oh, what do you think, Trouble?
I think I need a shower.
We both need showers. Yep.
Tomorrow.
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 Tomorrow we lay the brick in. Tomorrow we're bricklayers. Good morning. It's the next day. So we're grading the walkway right now. I need something to tamp down the dirt so that it's all nice and packed down. I don't have anything, so I'm putting together something real quick. It's gonna take us a while to lay all these bricks. So I'm gonna snap my fingers and be done with them. Ready? Ha! Done. Well, almost done. So, what do y'all think? Way better, right? All right, I had to get the tractor out to go grab a bucket worth of sand from down below by the pond to spread more sand on here. Doing the last load of sand right now, I think. The walkway's done. I'm tired, I'm dirty, I've been bleeding. I'm excited to take a shower and make some dinner. Thanks for watching 4 Acres, and I'll see you around.